Earlier this week, the Phoenix Police Sergeants and Lieutenants Association, PPSLA, and AZCOPS, and PPSLA member Sergeant Doug McBride, filed a lawsuit against Vice Mayor Carlos Garcia and others at the City of Phoenix to enforce the Charter and City Code. I sent out an email with the complaint and attachments to PPSLA members and associate members, but I want to take the time to explain to a wider audience why we decided to file this lawsuit, what we hope to accomplish, and what next steps will be. I'm Ben Leuschner. I'm a lieutenant with the Phoenix Police Department, and I'm the president of PPSLA, and a member of the AZCOPS Finance Committee. Before I get into the specifics of the Garcia lawsuit, I'd like to explain the general concepts that AZCOPS and PPSLA use in situations like this. We believe that it's critically important to stand up for the due process rights of our members. AZCOPS believes in creating healthy working relationships with departments. But if government entities or officials are violating the rights of AZCOPS members, we will act. In this case, there is clear language in the Phoenix City Charter and City Code that establishes bright lines between the responsibilities of the council and the city manager. The city council sets policy, but is prohibited by law from getting involved in personnel decisions. This makes sense as it avoids some of the rotten politics that exist in other cities, where council members hand out patronage positions or improperly influence the civil service process. Phoenix voters made the conscious choice to have the council manager system of government. They put it in Phoenix's charter, which is the equivalent of a local constitution. And everyone, including and especially city leaders, should follow the law. PPSLA and Sergeant McBride tried to have the city manager and city attorney enforce the law. Just as officers are charged with enforcing state law and city code, the city manager and city attorney have special responsibilities when it comes to enforcing the terms of the charter and code. PPSLA is particularly concerned because, as you know from a prior video, Vice Mayor Garcia used city letterhead and a city website to request the termination of Sergeant McBride, even though the investigation into Sergeant McBride's conduct is ongoing. City Manager Zerker didn't think this statement and use of city resources violates the charter. This is wrong. So we filed the lawsuit seeking three things. First, we want the statement of the Vice Mayor to be immediately removed from the city website. Second, we want a court order making it clear that the Vice Mayor is not to make any further statements directing or requesting the removal of Doug McBride or any other city employees. And third, we want the judge to issue an order declaring what we feel is obvious, that a member of council directing or requesting the firing of a city employee violates the charter and city code. With AZCOPS and PPSLA's authorization, we filed the lawsuit to protect the rights of our members this week. Our first court hearing is next Wednesday afternoon. I'll be there, and I will keep our members updated. And speaking of members, PPSLA and AZCOPS are committed to actively defending the rights of all of our members, and we are open to associate membership for all Phoenix Police employees. If you'd like to join, go to ppsla.com/apply. Thanks for watching, and we have your back.